Hi guys, in this video we compare Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus versus Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus launched on January 2024. The price is $300. The Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3 launched on April 2024. The price is $400. The weight of Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 199 gram. The Redmi Turbo 3 179. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus front and back glass and aluminium frame. The Redmi Turbo 3 front and back glass and plastic frame. It comes with dual SIM nano SIM card port. The both model come with AMOLED display 68 billion color and the screen size is same 6.67 inches. The resolution is same 1.5K and the PPH density is same 446. The refresh rate is same 120Hz and the screen to body ratio is similarly same. Not much difference. The both model come with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 touchscreen production and the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3 come with 2400 nits peak of brightness. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 1800 nits peak of brightness. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The 200 megapixel wide main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel micro with dual LED, dual tone flash HDR panorama, and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3 come with dual camera setup, the 50 megapixel wide and megapixel ultra wide and record 4K 60 fps video. The Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3 come with 20 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 60 fps video record. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 16 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 60 fps video record. The platform, the both will come with octa-core Cortex A715 and Cortex X4. The Xiaomi Turbo 3 come with Cortex X4 3.0 GHz CPU. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with Cortex A715 2.8 GHz CPU and the Turbo 3 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with MediaTek 7200 4nm chipset. The GPU Note 13 Pro Plus come with Modular G610 and the Redmi Note Turbo 3 and Reno 735. The both welcome with Android 14 operating system. The memory, the both welcome with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and 56 gigs for 12 gigs of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobile. The both welcome with 5000 mAh battery and the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with 120 watt fast charging. The Note Redmi Turbo 3 90 watt fast charging. The both mobile could not support wireless charging and it's come with 5G network support. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus go 21 points and the Redmi Turbo 3 go 24 points.
Show you what's up, 'cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.